Today we will discuss about the Veeam backup and DR of the cloud. Whether you are just starting out or well on your way to the cloud, it is likely that you may face cloud first mandates for digital transformation initiatives. From moving production workloads to the cloud to leveraging of site cloud target for long-term retention or disaster preparedness. Backup and recovery should be at the forefront of your cloud adoption strategy. We will discuss in this paragraph product overview, feature comparison, what's new, AWS data backup for dummies. So let's start with accelerate cloud adoption. Go to the cloud even faster with simple tools to intelligently backup, recover and migrate data where it can be natively protected and kept safe from attack. Actualize savings in the cloud. Proactively plan and manage consumption to avoid cloud overspend and ensure savings are recognized in all budgets while still achieving your recovery and compliance goal. Achieve DR and compliance goals. Fill critical needs in your DR strategy by securely backing up and replicating to the cloud for long-term retention and disaster recovery readiness. Now we will discuss cloud capabilities for powerful, affordable protection. Protect and manage backup data to the cloud, from the cloud and within the cloud. AWS backup. Unify your data protection strategy with AWS native backup and disaster recovery that's fully automated, cost effective and secure. Azure backup. Centrally manage and protect all your Azure data with native enterprise ready backup and recovery to overcome cloud data loss and overspent. Google Cloud Backup. Google native backup and recovery powered by policy-based automation to eliminate the risk of any data loss. Compliant archive. Tackle compliance with automation that intelligently moves your backup data from capacity to archive storage based on age. Ransomware stay out. Overcome ransomware and security threats with an assured clean recovery from encrypted, air-gapped, and immutable backups. Draws for resiliency. Reach the impossible with replication and fail over into the cloud via one of your disaster recovery as a service partners. Was for data center. Avoid the complexity of off-site backup with integrated expired build offering from our backup as a service partners. Next we will discuss bus for endpoints. Send server and workstation backups directly to the cloud for cost optimized managed bus. Object storage. Boldly embrace long-term retention across three intelligent tiers, turn for performance, cloud-based capacity, and archive. Flexible choice in cloud strategy, model, and provider. Now we will discuss about the Veeam backup for AWS user guide. In this, it will guide us about the complete procedure and effectiveness of this backup. Welcome to Veeam backup for AWS. Veeam backup for Amazon Web Services is a solution developed for protection and disaster recovery tasks for Amazon Elastic Computed Clouds EC2, Amazon Relational Database Service RDS, and Amazon Elastic File System EFS environments. Veeam Backup for AWS also allows you to backup and restore Amazon Virtual Private Cloud VPC configuration.